In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club login not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is verify your login credentials. Ensure you are entering the correct email address and the password. In case you are confused about your password, you can click on the option forgot password and reset it. Next up, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also give a first restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Likewise, check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Sam's Club. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, you can restart the app or browser. Next up, you can restart your device. Also, make sure you are not connected to any VPN or proxy. In case you are connected, you will need to disable it. Likewise, check the server status of Sam's Club. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Sam's Club server status, navigate to the website down detector. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And lastly, what you want to do is completely delete Sam's Club app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.